With Breakdance, you can add a coming soon or maintenance page. Let's have a look at how the coming soon page will be created and how you set your site to coming soon. Navigate to Breakdance in the admin navigation on the left and then go to Settings. From Settings, Maintenance Mode, and mode is either coming soon or maintenance. Let's start with coming soon. Select coming soon and then you need to select the page. In this instance, we only have one page, which is the home page. We need to go and create one. Before we save changes, let's create a new page. Add page. Coming soon. Save and publish. And then select Edit and Breakdance. Create a new section. Add image. Click on the image, choose. I'll bring in a coming soon image here. And add a countdown. Add countdown, countdown timer. Set the time zone to, in my case, it's +2. And the year will be this year. Month, put it on May. And the day, 24th. You can put hours and minutes, otherwise it takes the hours and minutes from this moment. Style it out, timer, and center. And with that, I'm pretty happy. Save our page and exit back to WordPress. That is a very simple page. We go into the back end, hop on over to Breakdance, select Settings again, and then Maintenance Mode. Mode, coming soon, page, coming soon, the one that we've created. Save changes. If you don't see the maintenance mode label here in the toolbar at the top, simply refresh your page. When in maintenance mode, you can still work within WordPress, but people coming to your site won't be able to visit it. I'll grab the URL. We open a private window. Paste. And look at our coming soon page. And that's a wrap. To support this channel, a heartfelt like would be great. In addition, you can visit us at w4b.io and remember to check out the complete courses for Breakdance.